JVIZ Talking Points transforms your Power BI dashboard into an executive showpiece where you can group various narratives, categories, and content in a traditional slide deck format. Setting up the visual is simple and only requires adding your talking point fields in the order they should stack in the text layout. Your data should be flattened so that the parent fields are repeating for each unique child record. Customize the overall layout of your talking points by adjusting the number of columns displayed. For example, you can select a news layout with multiple columns or slide deck layout with a single column. You can also customize the column styling. JVIZ Talking Points allows you to stack up to 5 talking points. For each talking point level, you can customize an array of features such as font, text, background color, layout such as padding and margins, text alignment, and borders. JVIZ Talking Points is a versatile Power BI visual that provides a clean and easy way to display data-driven narratives in a traditional slide deck or news article layout. Why wait? Try JVIZ Talking Points free today in Microsoft App Stores and be ready to captivate your audience with an informative visualization.